Hi everyone, I am Vinoda, working as Solution Architect in GG Technologies Private Limited. Now we are going to see new feature in Teams meeting. You can create polls in Microsoft Teams meeting using Microsoft Forms. Yes, you can use Microsoft Forms to post and collect poll results before the meeting, during and after the meeting in Teams. This feature helps in various ways to conduct productive meetings. Microsoft Forms helps you to create surveys in Office 365. Now you can use Microsoft Forms to poll participants for your questions, surveys in Teams meeting, which increases the overall meeting productivity. You can poll questions before the meeting, or you can launch your form during the meeting, or you can poll questions after the meeting. Let's see the demo how to create polls in Microsoft Teams meetings using Microsoft Forms. Now I'm in Microsoft Teams. I'm going to schedule a meeting. Currently, Teams supports polls only for personal meetings and not supported for channel meetings or live events. Now I'm going to schedule a personal meeting. The first step is to add the Forms app to a meeting. For this, you have to create the meeting. Then only you have an option to add Forms app. Yes, I have created the meeting. Now I am going to edit the meeting. After creating the meeting, you can add the Forms app by clicking the plus icon and add the Forms app. Now I am going to add this Form app to a meeting. After adding Forms app, it creates polls tab in the meeting resource list. You can see here the polls tab is added. From the polls tab, you can create polls and view the results of polls. Now I am going to create a poll. Only the organizers and presenters from the same tenant can create polls. Here I am going to create a poll. I have added questions and options and saved the poll. Yes, now your poll draft is ready. You can either launch this created poll before the meeting or during the meeting or after the meeting. Let's see each scenario one by one. First, I am going to launch this poll before the meeting begins. After launching the poll, it becomes live. The poll appears as a card in the meeting chat, so it allows participants to respond before the meeting begins. Next, we are going to see how it works during the meeting. I have joined the meeting. You can notice that the Forms tab is seen here. It will list all the polls created before. As the organizer or presenter, you can launch the poll at any time to the participants during the meeting. Here you can see all the polls are displayed here. I have a drafted poll. If you want to launch a poll during a meeting, you can launch it. It gives a pop-up notification by displaying poll card in middle of the meeting window. The participants can respond the poll during a meeting. This poll card also available in meeting chat. The participants can respond either through pop-up window or through poll card in meeting chat. Note that currently mobile device users and participants from outside the tenant cannot see the pop-up window, but they can respond the poll in meeting chat. As organizer or presenter, you have an option here to create more polls during the meeting, and you can close individual poll, edit the poll or delete the poll, and you can also export the poll results in Excel sheet. Next, you can launch the poll after the meeting by using Polls tab in the meeting chat. Here it lists all the polls. You can launch the poll after the meeting. The polls data remains available in the meeting chat and the form is stored in the account who created the poll. So this way you can easily create polls using Forms app in Teams meeting. So use this feature and increase your overall meetings productivity. Thank you for watching.